Okay, welcome back. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to do this, but I'm also going to show you a common mistake that many students make that you must avoid, okay? So remember, the only thing we can cancel are factors, okay? Factors are what make up a product, right? They're what we're multiplying together. So remember what I said earlier. We can only cancel things when we're multiplying on the top and the bottom, when we've got a product on the top, right, the numerator, and the denominator is made up of is a product. And so again, when we're dealing with fractions, we're dividing. Remember, the fractional bar represents division. So if we have multiplication going on in the top and we have multiplication on the bottom, then we have factors, right? So we can only cancel factors. Okay, so this is what some students do. Okay, they'll see something like this, and I've had students where they'll say, oh, here's an x squared and here's an x squared. Well, I'll just cancel those out, and so I get x minus 2 over negative 4, and I'm done. Oh, or maybe they'll even do this, and they'll go on and say, oh, wait a minute, this goes here. Oh, wait a minute, this cancels here, so this goes to 2 because I can divide this by negative 2, and this divides by negative 2, so I get 1, so that becomes a plus, and so what do I end up getting? I get, actually this cancels, right, because 2 goes in here, and so I end up with 2, and I get x over 2, or something crazy, okay? Remember, the difference between a factor and a term, okay? So let's go back to the beginning. So what I did, just so everybody knows, what I did was absolutely wrong, okay? So, now, this x squared is a factor because it's multiplying, right? There's multiplication going on. So this is a factor. This is not a factor. This is a term of this binomial down here. Okay, now, this is what you need to watch out for. So now this is how you do it, okay? In order to cancel anything out, I've got to have a factor. I got to split this up. So I've got to factor this bottom, right? If I can. I may not be able to do so, okay? In this case, I can, because this is a difference of 2 squares. So, I have to first rewrite this as so. Now I've got 2 factors on the bottom, 2 factors on the top, and notice that I've got an x minus 1 here and x minus 1 here, so this divided by this is going to give me 1, so I can just get rid of them, cancel them, and now this is my final answer. And I cannot reduce it any further. Because, or any farther. Farther? I'll have to look it up. So here, this can't be factored any farther. This can't be factored any further. So we're done. Okay. Or, I mean, if you look at this, this is x times x, but we can't factor this to have an x out here, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, that's it. See you next time.